Hello guys, welcome back to my channel series Master Tag. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to hack Hunter Registration 1. So before starting the video, this video is just for educational purposes and not for any illegal activities. So without getting late, let's dive into the video. So guys, let's start. So first click on the link that I gave in the description. Sorry, I'm going to paste it in Google. So you better paste it in copy and paste it in Google. So let me just paste it in Google. Okay. So it will take you to a page of YT Subme. So here you can see subscribe and bell. Just click on it. Directly take you to my YouTube channel. So just click on the subscribe option and activate the bell icon. So here you can see we are now in 83 subscribers. Please help me to reach 100 subscribers. I am requesting you to please subscribe and activate the bell icon. So just come out of that and again go to Chrome. So here you can see tap to reveal link. Just click on it. So guys, if you unsubscribe my channel, then the mode will be not work. So guys, here you can see open in Mega app and download. Just you have to click on download. So if you have Mega app, you can download it from Mega app. So guys, I'm not going to pause anywhere because I want to show you the proof. As you know, I will show you the proof in every video. So here you can see it will download faster. So guys, please avoid the background voices because I came to my relative house. Because in India it's the festival season. So here you can see an option came that is save file. Just click on save file. So it will show you Hunter Registration mode by Cherry CMT HYT. Just click on open. Not if you have ZArchiver app, just click on open. If you do not have ZArchiver app, go to Play Store and install it. So if you have ZArchiver app, you can directly install it. I am now showing the whom does not have ZArchiver app. I am showing them. So after don't click on open. Who does not have ZArchiver app, just click on. So you have to install ZArchiver. Who doesn't have ZArchiver app, so go to downloads and come down. So here you can see Hunter Registration mode by CMT HYT. So this I have found the mode of Hunter Registration 2 and Hunter Registration 1. So here you can see. So let me just wait. Okay. So I am going to delete them. So here you can see there are so many modes. Hunter Registration mode by CMT1, CMT2. So you have to just install the CMT HYT, that you will get only one. So I had installed them just for trial that the mode is working or not working. So after a single tap on it, Hunter Registration mode by CMT HYT, just click on extract. After clicking a single tap on it, just click on extract. So here you can see after extracting, you have to go to games folder. So then click on the lower green button and it will show you password required. You have to enter the password. I gonna blur the password because the password is shown in the middle of the video. So you have to go up. So here you can see Hunter Registration mode. So just a single tap on it. So just click on install, and again it will show you want to install the app. Just click on install. So guys, just wait. So after it shows app install, just click on done, not on open. It's better to click on done, not on open. So guys, I am telling you before, if you unsubscribe my channel after installing the game, the mode will not work in the game. So here you can see after installing it, after open it, so you have to play the tutorial. Let me just play the tutorial. I am not going to skip anywhere. I want to show you the proof of the game, that I had a mode APK of this game, that's real. So I want to complete this tutorial. So guys, some of you may be thinking the video is lag, but I am not lagging the video. I am just showing the proof, guys. I am just showing the proof. Some of my friends are telling that you are lagging the video. So many are not watching the video, it seems, and they are telling me lag. The video was lag. So guys, after completing the tutorial, so here you can see upgrade assassin. I will show you the proof. So there are so many diamonds set. So I'm going to characters. So I'm going to select everything. So here you can see all characters are logged on, and premier characters are also logged, and the prize room characters are also unlocked, and there are so many diamonds. So I know. So guys, bye. Today is this video. So guys, bye and enjoy your Pongal holidays. Bye.